Are you looking for an easy and copyright-free YouTube end screen template? In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get a free customizable end screen template for your YouTube videos. You can download it directly from the link in the description. Before we get into the template, let me explain what a YouTube end screen is. It's the final part of your video where you can promote other videos, playlists, or even encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. It's a powerful tool to keep your audience engaged and guide them to more of your content. Designing an end screen, it often takes extra effort, time-consuming and detailed process, requiring careful attention to layout, graphics, and functionality. Creating an end screen from scratch can take time, but by using a pre-made template, you save a lot of effort while still giving your video a professional touch. Plus, it's 100% copyright free, so you don't have to worry about any legal issues. Now, let's talk about how to download and use the template. I have included a link in the description below where you can download the file. Once downloaded, just import the file into your video editing software, add your videos, and customize the text and elements to match your brand. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. Select your preferred end screen template from the downloaded pre-made templates and apply it towards the end of your final video. These pre-designed end screen templates can be used in any video without any hassle. The best part is you can use them on any editing software, whether you are working on a computer or a mobile device. Just make sure to add it at the end of your video. Want to make the end screen truly your own? You can change the colors, fonts, and animations to match your channel's style. It's fully customizable, so feel free to get creative. Once you have added the end screen towards the end of your video, go ahead and upload the video. Now, head over to your YouTube studio and from the content section, select the video where you have added the end screen and click on the edit option. From here, click on the edit end screen icon. Next, click on the add element option. First, select channel, then search for your channel and add it to the end screen. Adjust the position according to the layout of the end screen. After that, click on add element again and this time select video adjusted to fit properly within the end screen layout. Then click on choose specific video and select the video you want to feature. Follow the same process to select your second video. Now head back to the video editing timeline and make sure all the end screen elements are properly aligned from where the end screen starts in the video. Play the video to check if everything looks fine. If your end screen elements are properly matched with your video, go ahead and save it. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the process. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this template useful for your YouTube channel. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with the template. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.